Hello, I am Dr. Margaryta, and I'm excited to be meeting you at the International Congress of Autism Advances, Neurodegenerative and Neurodevelopmental Disorders, which is going to be held in Kuala Lumpur on November 28-29. We're going to host non-governmental organizations across Malaysia who are dedicated to advancing care and support for individuals with autism, neurodegenerative, and neurodevelopmental disorders. Whether you are a physician, parent, or caregiver, this Congress offers you a unique platform to learn, connect, and grow with a community passionate about improving lives. Join us in this important event and help make a difference for those affected with these disorders.